For this video, I'm going to go over the Photoshop crop tool, and as you can see, I've got a photo in here, and I look at the layer palette and I'm noticing it is a locked layer, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the lock to get rid of that lock. So now I can do something with this layer. Now the crop tool is in the toolbar. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools down. When I select that, I automatically get some resize handles. If I expand my window here, I can see them. I can go right into this window and I can start pulling in the sides, the bottom, and so forth. And the visual I get is actually the rule of thirds. What you want is the most interesting part of your image in these kind of hot spots where they intersect. So I'm going to click inside. I'm not outside, I'm actually in the crop. I can move that photo around within that crop if I'm inside the crop area. And if I'm happy with that crop, I can go ahead and hit the return key. And that's going to set it in place. You also, I'm not sure why I can't see it. It's probably because my monitor, but you also have a check at the top here that you can check on. I'm actually going to take it back or undo. So I'm going to go edit, undo crop. So I'm going to show it to you again. I'm going to go to the crop tool. Again, I could come in, I could pull the sides. Also what I could do is I could put the width, the height, and the resolution that I want for this image. But before I do that, let's see exactly how big this image is. So I'm going to go just to the move tool to disengage the crop tool. To see how big this image is, I can go under the image menu and check the image size. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. When I do that, I get this dialog box that pops open, and it's telling me that the image size is 375 megabytes. I can also see the dimensions right now in pixels. I can come down here and I can actually change it to inches, change the unit of measurement. So at a resolution of 72, I can see that this image is 17.778 and 14 and some. What I can do is say OK, now that I know that information. And I can go to the crop tool, and at the top here you've got a drop down and you have some default sizes that you can go ahead and pull in. But I'm just going to stick with the first one where it says width, height, and resolution. And this is a good indicator as to what you put in these blank areas here. So the first thing I need to put in this area is the width. I need to put the height here and then the resolution. And maybe I want this particular image to be kind of fit a frame that I have. Maybe my frame is 7 inches wide and 5 inches tall. So the width goes first, so I'm going to put 7. And I need to put the unit of measurement, which is inches. So I'm going to do IN for inches. And then I'm going to do 5 IN. Okay, and then I want to put the resolution. The resolution for print is 300. So I'm going to set 300. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit my return key. And now I can check the image size again. I can go under image, image, image size. And I can see now this particular image is 7 inches by 5 inches with a resolution of 300, which is the required resolution for print. Let me go ahead and hit the undo crop again. Let me go to another tool just to disengage the crop. Okay, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click on the crop tool. I need to put the width, height, and resolution. So width, height, and resolution. And this time I'll make it smaller. I'll do it 3 inches by 3 inches. And when I'm happy with that, again, I can go in, I can move it around before I actually crop it. And I can hit, let me go ahead and do the rule of thirds here, and hit the return key. Okay, and I get the new size. And again, I can check that by going image, image size, and I can see that's what it is here.